this will be the graph given. This will be the graph given, and you will be constructing the weight matrix. Right? This is clear. Whoever asked the doubt, no? So this will be the adjacency or the weight matrix which you will be constructing. So it will be having the values, wherever adjacent vertices are there. That is, if you have a direct edge from 1 to 2, and that should be an outgoing edge from 1 to 2. In those cells, you will be entering the cost which is mentioned over there, right? So you will be constructing the weight adjacency matrix. One second. So this will be same as what I have written above. The same matrix, you will be entering over here 0, 3, infinity, 7, and all. So this will be the weight matrix. And in the first step, what you will be doing? So as I told, if in the first step, for the construction of A0 is a distance matrix when we are considering no intermediate vertices. So this cost adjacency matrix which we have constructed for the graph, we will be just copying it to A0. Is that step clear? So as we don't have any intermediate vertex, what is meaning of A0? A0 is the distance matrix when we are constructing, when we are not having any intermediate vertex. It is constructed considering no intermediate vertex. So as there is no intermediate vertex, we will just copy the weight matrix into A0. Weight or the cost matrix we are just copying into A0. I hope this step is clear. Now we are going to construct A1. What is A1? A1 is the distance matrix. A1 is the distance matrix considering only one intermediate vertex. So which is going to be our intermediate vertex. The first vertex, which is 1, is going to be our intermediate vertex. So what is how the distance matrix we are going to calculate? So in this first step, we will be copying the first row and first column and also the diagonal elements of A0 to A1. So you can see that I just copied from A0 the first row and first column and also the diagonal elements same as what we have from A0. Are you all able to see? Okay. First time I am using this writing board, that's why I am asking. So here, after copying, what all cells are remaining, those cells we are going to fill using our definition or what formula we had given for the Freud's algorithm. Is it clear? What are the cells which were left out? I just now calculated the value for A23 and all, right? A23 and A24. So initially it was empty, so we were calculating the values. I think this step, if it is clear, I can go forward. Hannah, who asked that? So here now this set, whichever cells are left out, here you can see that 2, 3, I don't have any value, 2, 4, I don't have any value, then 3, 2, then 3, 4, and 4, 2, 4, 3 and all, I don't have any value. So those values alone we are going to calculate. What is A of 2, 3? So you know that in this graph, we are having from a direct path from from 2 to 3. But we are going to see, is there any shortest path existing via 1? That is using 1 as intermediate vertex. So you are just checking whether you will be able to reach 3. So what is the path? We are just going to consider from 2 to 3. If this is the shortest path, or if you have any still more shortest path from 2 to 1 and then from 1 to 3. So you are going to check inside the graph if there is an edge which is having a shortest path than the existing path from 2 to 3. Is it clear? So we are going to construct with that shortest path using 1 as an intermediate vertex, right? So this step is nothing but we are going to calculate and update in the weight matrix, in the distance matrix A1, the shortest path, which is considering 1 as an intermediate vertex. So we are going to split the path from 2 to 3 as 2 to 1 plus 1 to 3. What is among this, if the path from 2 to 3 is lesser, then we will take that, or if the path from 2 to 1 plus 1 to 3 is lesser, we will take that. Okay, so we are using the min function. In this, what are the two values which we are going to pass? The existing distance from 2 to 3. What is the existing distance from 2 to 3? I have written in the graph, in A0, the existing distance from 2 to 3 is 2, right? I hope you are able to see existing distance is 2. Existing distance. So whatever values we are using for calculation of or building up of the new distance matrix, we are taking from the previous matrix. For constructing A1, we should take it from A0. Similarly, for constructing A2, we will take it from A1. So got it? So here, what is the value of 2, 3 from A0? 2, 3 is 2. So we wrote 2. Then what is 2, 1? 2, 1 is 8. Got it? So we are writing 8 plus what is 1, 3? 1, 3. 1, 3 is infinity. So we are writing infinity. So these two values are minimum of 2 comma 8 plus infinity, which is minimum 2. So we are writing 2. So we are going to update in A1 in place of 2, 3. We are writing it as 2. Now similarly, we are getting the value for 2, 4. What is 2, 4? We are going to find a path via 1. That's why we are splitting and writing it as 2, 1 plus A of 1, 4. Now check the value of 2, 4 from A0. In A0, the value of 2, 4 is infinity. So we are writing infinity. Then the value of 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, 1 in A0 is 8, right? So we are writing 8. Now what is 1, 4? 1, 4 in the A0 is 7, right? So which among this is minimum? You know that, so the two values are minimum and 15, which is minimum 15. So we are going to update in A1 15. Similarly, you are going to find what is 3, 2. What is 3, 2? We are going to split and write 3, 1 plus 1, 2. What is 3, 2 from A0? From A0, 3, 2. 3, 2 is infinity. So we are going to find whichever is minimum of infinity, comma. What is 3, 1 from A0? 3, 1 is 5. Plus, what is 1, 2? 1, 2 from A0? 1, 2 is 3. Are you able to understand? Whoever asked doubt, I don't know who asked. Which step I should explain now? Is it clear?
Ma'am,
Ah.
we can take minimum path no ma'am. Using graph only we are writing that a of 3 comma 1 plus a of 1 comma 2. How we can reach so like that no ma'am?
From the graph directly you can write your telling.
No ma'am, we are writing that equation like a comma 2. How we can reach
Ah.
like 3 to 1 3 to 1 sorry 3 to 2 we have to reach,
Ah.
like we can use 3 to 1 and 1 to 2 we can reach to like that no ma'am we are writing.
We are writing means we are writing the path using intermediate vertex 1. It's not like any vertex. In this step, we are considering only vertex 1 as intermediate vertex. Suppose there is no distance or there is no path using intermediate vertex 1, you should be writing it as infinity. Got it? So in case you are finding for any of the pairs of vertex, if you are able to find any intermediate vertex traveling through the vertex 1, then we will be updating that distance.
Okay ma'am.
So this step we will be considering only the vertex 1 as intermediate vertex. In the next step we will consider both 1 and 2 as intermediate vertex. Like that we will be keeping on updating. I didn't
Okay
understand
ma'am.
the question. Divya, are you asking that or that only, right?
Yes ma'am, now I understood ma'am.
Hmm. So this no, among this which will be minimum will be 8. So we are writing in 3 comma 2, we are writing it as 8. Any other doubts? If you have any, you ask now itself, otherwise again explaining the same thing. Now what is this cell? 3, 4, right? So we are going to calculate for a of 3, 4. So it is nothing but a of 3 comma 1 plus a of 1 comma 4. Here you see I am splitting only with the 1. So 3 4 will be split as 3 1 and 1 4. So this is nothing but a minimum of 3 4. What is 3 4 from the graph? From 3 4 from the previous distance matrix, 3 4 is 1, right? 3 4 is 1. So 1 comma, what is 3 1? 3 1 is 5 plus, and 1 4 is 7. So which is minimum? So this is 1, right? So we are updating it as 1. Similarly, so I hope you are all doing, if you are doing, then you will understand. 4 comma 3, it is a of 4 comma 1 plus a of 1 comma which one I am finding? 4 comma 2 we didn't find, right? 3 comma 4 is over.
1 comma 2, ma'am.
1 second. 4 comma 2. This one, this cell value we didn't find. So we will first find that 4 comma 2. Right? We didn't find 4 comma 2. Yes. 4 comma 1 and 1 comma 2. Which is nothing but a minimum of. So what is 4 2 in the 4 2 is infinity, comma 4 1 is 2 plus 1 2. 1 2 is 3. So which is now minimum is 5. So we are going to update here as 5. Got it? Now one more cell which is remaining is 4 3. 4 3. 4 2 is over 4 3. So a of 4 comma 3. It's nothing but a of 4 comma 1 plus a of 1 comma 4, which is minimum of, what is 4 3? 4 3 is infinity, comma 4 1 is 2 plus 1 4. What is 1 4? 1 4 is 7, which is 9. Is it correct? Anyone is doing along with me?
Ma'am, how you will get 1 4, ma'am?
1 4. 1 to 4 is
Infinity
7.
will get, no, ma'am.
In this previous weight or the cost adjacency, it is given as 1 4 is 7, no? Graph is correct only, no? 1 4. 1 4. What, Divya?
Ma'am, in 4 comma 3, a comma 4 1. From 1 to 3 we need to reach. There is no direction, so it will be infinity.
1 second. 1 to 4 I had written. 1 to 3.
In
1 to 3. Yes,
1 to 3 there is no direction, so infinity.
Yes, correct. So both this will be infinity. Infinity and 2 plus infinity, right? 4 1 and 1 3. 4 1 and 1 3. Correct. So it will be infinity. So what you will be writing over here? 4 4 3. It will be infinity. Now this graph adjacency or the distance matrix is completed. What is the next step? What is the next step? We have to construct A1 considering vertex 2 as adjacency or vertex 2 as an intermediate vertex. All of you completed this much, those who are doing. Divya, you are getting the same values, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Who is doing? No one is doing. Anyway, I will be giving you one more like 2-3 programs, questions for solving. That time I should be getting. Now the next algorithm also is somewhat similar to this. Don't tell me that you are getting confused. Okay. So now from A1 we are going to construct A2, right? A2. So we are going to construct A2. In A2, what we are considering? In A2, we will be making 2 as an intermediate vertex. So what we will do is we will copy the second column and second row as such. Got it? We should be copying second row and second column. So which is the second row? Here it is. So first you write one. Second row will be 3, 0, 3, 0, 8, 5. Is it clear? So when you are making 2 as an intermediate vertex, or the second vertex, when we are making as intermediate vertex, name the distance matrix as A2, copy the same values what we have in the second row and second column as such. So you will be copying 8, 0, 2, 15, and also the diagonal values. Diagonal values are 0, right? So you are copying those diagonal values. Now what are the cells which are left out? So we are going to get the value of A of 2, 3. What is A of 2, 3? A of 2, 3. A of 1 second. 1, 3 is not written. 1, 3. A of 1, 3. What is A of 1, 3? So now you have to split and write the same thing using 2 as an intermediate vertex. So we are going to write A of 1, 2 plus A of 2, 3. Is it clear? Divya and whoever is doing. Now in this we are making 2 as an intermediate vertex. In the previous step we were splitting and writing using 1. Listen here, 4, 3 we were splitting it as 4, 1 plus 1, 3. Right? Here we are using 2 as an intermediate vertex. So what is the meaning here? Now the A2, A1 we have already constructed using 1 as an intermediate vertex. Now we are going to find a shortest path using 2 as an intermediate vertex. So in effect we will be getting the shortest path using 2 intermediate vertex, both vertex 1 and 2. Got it? From the previous distance matrix we are going to construct A2, right? So in effect we will be using 2 intermediate vertex. Which are the 2 intermediate vertex? 1 and 2. Okay, so in this step we need to write only using intermediate vertex 2. Got it? So don't think that 1 to 1 and then from 1 to 2 like that we have to split and write. Just write 1 to 2 and 2 to 3. In effect we will be considering 2 intermediate vertex, which are those 1 and 2. So now you can take the value from the previous distance matrix, which is A1. What is the values of A13? A13 from the previous adjacency matrix is infinity. So we are going to find whichever is minimum. Infinity 1, 3 and 1, 2. 1, 2 is 3 plus 2, 3. 2, 3 is 2. Which is minimum 5, right? So we are going to update. Whenever I am doing, if anyone is doing parallelly, you can check whether it is correct. Okay. So now A of 1, 4. What is A of 1, 4? You can split and write using 2 as an intermediate vertex. So 1 to 2 plus A of 2 to 4. So which is minimum. So minimum of what is 1, 4? 1 to 4 is 7, 1 to 2 is 3 plus 2 to 4. 2 to 4 is 15, which is minimum. So here the distance, the distance from 1 to 4, 1 to 4 is 1 to
7, ma'am.
1 to 4 is 7, correct? 7 and 3 plus 15, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So it is, which is minimum? Here it is 7.
Ma'am, one doubt.
Which is that?
Using graph we have to write our last matrix, adjacent matrix we have to draw, ma'am.
Graph is constant only. We are not updating in the graph. Divya, don't use graph. Only for the weight adjacency matrix or the cost adjacency, you will use the graph. Afterwards, it will be complicated if you are trying to find the shortest path using 2 intermediate vertices. Okay. If you are able to find, then it is well and good. But the whole distance matrix we have to update The iteration is from the first value to the last value, and we will be keeping on using. In the first step we were using only one intermediate vertex 1, right? In the second step we will be using 2 adjacent vertices. So in when we are doing it manually directly, if you are trying to write from the graph, you will make mistake. If you are okay, then it is good, but you have to consider 2 intermediate vertex, and you have to update all the distances. If you are just striking and updating, then it will be very difficult to understand. Again, in the next step, what we will be using 1, 2 and 3 intermediate vertexes we will be using. This is very lengthy, this one, no, Floyd's algorithm. So I'm just showing you. So for only 1 to 2 distance metrics, later on you can do at home. If you have any doubts, I can clear you. So here we have updated 7. Which are the values which is remaining now? Now this cell, no, 3, 1. Again, for this, you will be using the intermediate vertex as 2. So 3, 2 plus a of, so a of 2, 1. So here also we will be finding the minimum. Anyone, if you have any doubts, you can ask. So whatever value is there from the previous matrix, distance matrix, we have to take. So 3, 1 is 5, right? 5, then 3, 2 is what? 3, 2 is 8 plus 2, 1 is 8. Is it correct? Okay. So it will be 5. So which is minimum? Here it is 5. So now which is the values which are left out? So here it is 3, 1. Now one more is 3, 4, right? A of 3, 4. The only thing which you have to understand is when you are using 2 as an intermediate vertex, when you are constructing the distance matrix for 2, you will be splitting and writing using 2. Okay. So this is A of 3, 2 plus A of 2, 4, which is a minimum of, what is 3, 4? 3, 4 will be 1, then 3, 2. 3, 2 will be 8 plus 2, 4. 2, 4 is 15. 2 to 4 is 15. Minimum is 1. Similarly, you will have to find for 4, 1 and then 4, 3. Anybody got the value for 4, 1? 4, 1.
Yes, ma'am. 2, ma'am.
2. Okay. And then what is the value?
4, 3.
4, 3.
7.
A of 2, 1 we got it as, so you will be getting it as 2, and A of 4, 3. 4, 3. I'll give you this, whatever I have done now, I will post it in Linvest. So the whole thing I have completed yesterday, I had done in this, so I have saved it, so you can check the steps if you are not clear with any of those. No? 4, 3, you are getting it as
7.
Okay. So this we did for A2, taking 2 as intermediate vertex. Now in the next step, we will be constructing A3. Is it clear? So in this step, what we will be using? You will be using 3 as an intermediate vertex. Got it? So you will be using 3 as an intermediate vertex. And from A2, you will be constructing A3. So again, those who have done or those who are doing, you can see this color is not visible, I feel. So again, you will be copying which row and which column from A2 to A3. Now, as you are using 3 as an as an intermediate vertex, you will copy the values of the row 3 and column 3. The same values, you will copy to this A3, and also the diagonal zeros you will copy. So whatever is left out, whatever values which is left out, you will be calculating, which are the cells A of 1, 2, A of 1, 4, A of 2, 1, 2, 4, 4, 1 and 4, 2. So those values we will be updating. So what is the difference here? Now 1, 2, how we will be calculating the shortest path? from 1 to 3. Got it? Here the 3 is the intermediate vertex. So 1 to 3 and 3 to 2. Similarly, from 1 to 4, you are constructing it as 1 to 3 plus 3 to 4. So all these, you are using intermediate vertex as 3. So in effect, you will be using how many intermediate vertex? You will be using 3 intermediate vertex. In the first A1, we had considered 1 as intermediate vertex. In A2, we have constructed using 2 as an intermediate vertex. Now in this, we are using 3, but in effect, the previous 2 intermediate vertex, shortest path only we are using, right? So in effect, we will be using 3 intermediate vertices. Anybody is drawing parallelly? So you can check the value of A of 1, 2. What is A of 1, 2?
3, ma'am.
3. And A of 1, 4 is 6.
6.
2, 1 is 7. 2, 4 is 3. 4, 1 is 2. And 4, 2 is 5. Ibrahim? Ibrahim, are you there? Ibrahim, are you there? Tell me how to calculate the path from that shortest path A 4, 2 using 3 as an intermediate vertex. 4, 2 using 3 as an intermediate vertex. Tell me. After Yasmin, nothing is there. If you are not answering, I should mark you absent. You are not listening. Ibrahim?
It will be A of 4, 3.
Guest is there at home, no, Ibrahim? All are, no, I don't know what you people are doing. No, are you writing the notes, Ibrahim? Today, now itself, you send me the notes. Let me see in WhatsApp.
Okay, ma'am.
4, 3, then?
Ma'am, in A of 2, no, ma'am. For this A of 4, 3, how did we get 7, ma'am?
4, 3.
A of 2, ma'am, the previous matrix.
Okay. 4, 3. How we are getting 4, 3? We are getting 7, you are asking.
Yeah, ma'am. Till there I got it correctly. I didn't get 7 there.
So what is A of 4, 3? So A of 4, 3 is nothing but A of 4, 2 plus A of 2, 3, right? What is 4, 3? 4, 3 is infinity. So we are going to take minimum of 4, 3 is infinity, comma 4, 2. 4, 2 is 5 and 2, 3. 2, 3 is 2. What happened? 5 plus 2 is 7 only, no? What happened?
Okay, ma'am. No, ma'am. I considered a wrong matrix. That's the reason I got it wrong.
Okay. Now, any step if you didn't understand, I am ready to explain. Ibrahim, you got, no? You are constructing, I am believing that you people are doing, I don't know. Miguel, are you there? Miguel. When I am making a call, your active WhatsApp group, no, your unofficial groups will be having messages, right? And after a delay, you will answer me. Miguel, I am going to mark you absent. Okay. Then Matthew, are you there? Matthew. What is the meaning of A4? What is the distance matrix A4? How we are constructing the distance matrix A4? What is the first step when you are constructing A4? Which vertex will be considered as an intermediate vertex?
Ma'am, ma'am,
Yes.
in matrix A3,
Ah.
A of 2, 4 is 1, ma'am. A of 2, 4.
Matrix 1. No, which you are constructing A3?
No, ma'am, matrix 3, ma'am. A3.
A3.
In A3, A, 2, 4 is 1, ma'am.
2, 4 is 1. I am having 3. No? You are telling this is not correct. Huh? 2, 4, I have the value 3. In A3 or A2? A2, I have 2, 4 as 50.
A3, ma'am.
A3, I have 3. You are telling it is?
No, ma'am. Correct only, ma'am.
Correct. Matthew, tell me how we are constructing A4. Which vertex will be considered as intermediate vertex? Just try once, I don't know what you people are doing at home, wasting your Wi-Fi. No, what is that, no? Now it is all free. Tell me what is A4? How to construct A4? When we are constructing the distance matrix A4, you are taking the fourth vertex or all the 4 vertices. Which are the 4 vertices? 1, 2, 3 and 4, right? So when you are constructing A4, which will be the row and the column which will be copied as such from the previous matrix A3, you will be copying the 4th row and 4th column, right? And also this diagonal values, right? So all these you will be copying from A3. Whatever you had in A3, you just copy. Now you will be checking the values, or you will be getting the values for what? You will be getting the values for all the cells which are not having the values. So we copied only the 4th row and 4th column and also diagonal. So whichever is left out, that is A of 1, 2. A of 1, 2. How we will be getting the value of A of 1, 2? What is A of 1, 2? Matthew, I am asking you, what is 1, 2?
3, ma'am.
Directly you are telling 3. How you found? First you have to split and write, right? Using the 4th vertex as intermediate vertex. So it will be, instead of 1, 2, you will be writing 1, 4 plus A of 4, 2. Okay. So whichever is minimum, we will be updating in the distance matrix A4. Jay Kumar, are you there? Jay Kumar.
Yes, ma'am. There, ma'am.
Tell now how we are doing this one. What is A of 1, 2? How we will be getting A of 1, 2?
A of 1, 2.
1, 2. From which matrix we have to take? From the previous matrix, right? When we are constructing A4, we will be referring to the values of A3. Got it? So here in A3, what is the value of 1, 2? 1, 2. 1, 2 is 3, right? So now we are going to find whichever is minimum. The existing path in the A3 distance matrix is 3, comma. What is 1, 4 plus 4, 2? 1 to 4 is, what is 1 to 4? 1 to 4 is 6, right? Then 4 to 2 is 5. So which is minimum now? So this is minimum of 3, 11, which is minimum 3. So we are going to update A of 1, 2. What is the value we are getting? 1, 2 as 1, 2 is 1, 4 plus. You are getting value 3 or 3 only, right? Yes.
3, ma'am.
Half is
3.
3. So you will be updating it as 3. See, we are getting it as 3. Now which is the cell which is left out? That is 1, 3. Now you should be very careful when you are writing 1, 3. 1, 3, I didn't have any value, so I will be calculating using the intermediate vertex, the fourth vertex. So this will be taking time. So after, you know that this graph, how many vertices this graph was having? The graph is having 4 vertices. So you will be using in the last step, all the 4 vertices as intermediate vertex. But when you consider all the vertices as intermediate vertex, the distance matrix will be updated, and the last matrix which we are getting will be the optimal or the minimum shortest path from each vertex to all other vertices. You can give the assurance that this will be the minimum or the shortest path existing from each vertex to all other vertices. What is the meaning of this distance vertex now? So this is the last iteration, right? Here we have included all the 4 vertices. When you are splitting and writing 1 to 4 and 4 to 2, this step, it is actually when it is constructed, we are constructing from the previous distance matrix, which is considering 3 as a intermediate vertex, and that it was constructed from the previous distance. So in effect, we are considering in this step all the vertices 1, 2, 3 and 4 as intermediate vertices, even though we are splitting and writing 1 to 2 as 1 to 4 and 4 to 2. Here in this step, we will see that we are only using 4 as an intermediate vertex, but you know that A4 is constructed from A3, which was using 3 as an intermediate vertex after getting the shortest path. So this will be the final answer, right? So you have to write what will be the output. This distance matrix A4 you will be writing down, and then write this will be the shortest distance existing from 1 to 1, from 1 to 2, 1 to 3 and 1 to 4. All pairs of vertices, right? 2 to 1, this will be the shortest. 2 to 2, 2 to 3, 2 to 4. So we are telling, if you are taking 1 as a source vertex, this will be the these values will be the shortest distance. Similarly, 2 if you are taking, this will be the shortest. Anyone is trying out? Hannah or Divya?